Anyone has a yarn ball to trade me for some catnip? Fresh out! Don't have it.
The Federated Communications has issued a situation across New Zealand. I repeat, the Federated Communications has issued a situation across New Zealand. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A tsunami is heading towards Auckland and Wellington. It is arranged by a 7.7 magnitude earthquake. Here is an image of a tsunami which is arranged by earthquake in Auckland. And a high tsunami is heading very fast. No residents of New Zealand will survive without May God save. May God save.